My mommy and my papa, my brother and sister, when I be King Baron Blaise don't come for talk for now. My friends, my sister, my petit them, I salute all now. At least election don't pass. I say me I can give my point of view for thing I don't see for election. And they open one eye again my people for sure when I think will happen. Something don't happen, but I never hear man talk. Now what I she done today? Today na the 16th Thursday, October 2025. 16. Yes, my people, I can't forgive my own thing why I don't see them. Thing why I tell when I every day when I hear my people, oh sorry, me first start. But people, I be one of them. I know what they're doing. I know a lot of things. But now for this video today, at least as a sign for change on that show, sometimes NGOC if you come out, sometimes Yama if you come out. Time for that or the truth don't come. So I started one of my people. I started make video for 2009 concern Anglophone problem. When I say I make my video now for pidgin concern Bamenda, they say charity begin at home. Thing one no now you have to talk better. I can't talk about Bamenda. You know, something that I don't talk for my video for since 2014, 2017. I talk something that people don't understand. But it don't happen now for the election. They can't have to open everybody's eye now. For talk the truth for my people. For tell when I think will happen again. My experience, thing what I know, thing what I go through. If you to go through, because I don't have to go through, people around me to go through. If you say nothing, we everybody to go through. Before I start the video, my people, I get for talk some more about what is happening for election. And open when I and when I mind my own opinion and think what I feel saying the problem be that. Too long cannot make it right. At the time people will come will thank me. But now when they insult me, I thank you double. Because you give me source of inspiration. If you discover say you get problem, I talk about the problem, you can't vex for me down. You give me that more courage because I get for continue for talk until your mindset come. And my people I can beg some permission for when I for here. I beg, think what to talk now, I call names. I beg by me that man. No go, no key man, no suffer. We don't suffer for 9 years. Yeah, Cameroon get problem. Since 2016, Mancho BBC, the one year, our excellency, our new president, the first democracy president for Cameroon since we Cameroon start. Yes, now the one we come for the one for October, democracy, transparency, omansian. And all we know to don't happen. I can't explain some small thing where I know my own experience and my own opinions for this video what we do on the 16th, Thursday. 2025 October. Yes, I can't give my own opinion for open people that had. Before I start my video again, I see repeat again. My petit frère and thank you. Oh, I don't open an eye. Petit frère with the carry gun. Petit frère with the wounded. You go listen to this video. You go understand the way they manipulate you. You go understand because this video they can explain for Bamenda people. I see talk my video concern Bamenda. I'm not talking about the problem. I'm talking what caused the problem. What is the cause for the problem? We will get them for Northwest. Me I be shipped there. I be picking for street. I be in Boko. I never work for government. I be man for street. But at least I feel like explain a lot of things what happened for street. What caused the problem? Not the problem. That's my problem. Yeah, petit frère, thank you very much. Thank you for put the gun down, Petit. Thank you. I hope this video will make and you will put the gun down finally. You understand? And parents, mommy and papa, when I get to listen to the video and then open one eye and then secure the picking their life. Me no give me the begin key our picking again. I start the video by this mobile phone, the election will just take place. My people, I don't tell when I see the work for mobile phone. Mobile phone is a thunder. When I imagine where they for Bamenda. Where you get problem for person, he say come out for Oku. Where say to go Oku, you must beg it. Say I beg, I will tell you the truth. Where get problem for man, you come out the womb. He say I will send you thunder. You say I beg you, I will tell you the truth because we know the power of thunder. They tell a mobile phone we hold on for hands so not thunder. Now what my own thunder that? Now secret, now they told that for key this Lucifers. Now the thing that will Lucifers don't be know. If you Cameroon be know say then go snap the election, they forgot internet. Now for the way they go make big error they left internet. And they do one way my people, I play my part for this internet. I play my part because when I see the first result for 10, 11 o'clock what happened for offside, I send them for offside, my power commissioner already send them. May all man way they for polling station, me they snap their own picture for vote. But when I see my people, they show the picture for vote. But not always the picture for vote never come up because it's terrible. I get a picture for Libya Alem, I get a picture for Batibo, I get a picture for Messager. It's terrible, my people. It's a public insult. But if I thank you for put the gun down. For this video, you will understand how they misuse you, because you will see die, they will see movie like wait they never get for kill people, they wait they get for kill them. Now what they come for explain for this video. But before I want to for that play what I want to explain, me I tell you the power of digitalization and transparency. The election will come up for take place, my people. It concern presidential election. Now concern president. I will still talk about Pobia, but me I continue to tell me I lost my mindset. Yes. The election will come up for doing so concern a president. The next election where they come now Bamenda people, my brother and sister, my people. If you Bamenda no get peace, Cameroon can never get peace. And me, I be active for peace. At the kind of for back we bring peace for Cameroon. And if we bring peace, we get peace, Cameroon will get peace. When I see the damage way it don't cost for Cameroon. When I look Bonabiri for Douala, when I look Ndobo, all activity don't close when go stand there. When I look for Yaoundé, when I look Obili, when I look Biamasi, everything don't close where motor no come out for Bamenda can. It cause a lot of problem. It cause a lot of damage, and we the feel say we do bad for them. We do not bad for ourselves, but we do them so ignorances. But I come for this video for today, for tell when I had the problem do come, had the problem do start, because I am one of them, and the thing don't come for upside. I don't wait election don't pass. I wait no man no talk. Today na 16, 5 days don't pass. Now I come for talking at the stream because I never hear no man talk. All man they sit talk a different thing, but they don't talk. What is the cause of the problem? No man they talk. What is the cause of the problem? Though I come for tell you now, what is the cost problem for North region? Some part because, and if you explain now, it's too long. At least I get a, when I look, I start make video for 2009. Though I don't persevere, I don't resist to 2025. Though and if you take one day, 1 second, just tell you what you understand. Yeah, because me to again for rest. But I don't talk to my video in Proverbs. As you take a paragraph, reason you will see a lot of things inside. Though I can't tell my country people, my brother and sister, my mommy and my daddy. The election was presidential election. Now the election where they come down a municipal election. Now the election where show say you Bamenda man, you go come up talk for the wall, for they have vote. You go na digital, they have vote and they have mobile phone. Say yes, mayor they do fine work. Now for that municipal election where they come, where you go select your honorable. Say yes, he's doing good job. Now for that vote where they come now, you go select parliamentarian. For to say yes, you are doing good job. Now the vote where they come now. When a mobile phone digitalization. When I don't understand the problem, my people, they don't suffer they suffer to better Bamenda since 2016 when I mancho BBC. Why don't hear our excellencies, our new president, say he will release a political prisoner. If he Mr. H.H. want to release a political prisoner, he will remove now all prisoners because all the prisons all be full of innocent people. Everything happen is politics. We'll go for market full man, take money, he blank, na politics. Na politics be that. You want to remove prisoner, Mr. President, you remove all prisoners, mean they to judge them back. But now we go for releasing. Open with that question on Mancho BBC. Because Mancho BBC become talk about marginalization. How the government is not doing their job. That's the problem of 2016. My people for Bamenda. When I see what happened, I make video last 2 years. I tell you, I say, now Francophone they don't start get their own difficulties. Francophone start complaining for 2024. 2025, we don't boss. Why? They use a mobile phone. When I say they tell a mobile phone show the truth. I don't beg Bamenda people. When I use a mobile phone, go snap that school where they say school to return. When I go snap the school, government school na be government school. Private school na commercial for people. When the same school go back, when I pick you go school for side, or when I get mobile phone for hand. When I go snap the school campus, na the phone why we don't tell when I mobile phone na be the secret for not Lucifer. When I see election, when I see where to go on, Chirema win above 80% clean election. But when I see the amount of where they win thief, but never succeed for Chiroma. When I know say for the election will come up for pass my people, less than 2.5 million people they vote. If they register 8 million, when I know the way election day, 8 million, they say they don't register 8 million. How many people go, they don't see their name? How many people no vote? How many people then fight for the police station? How many things happen? And when they fight for police station, the people who are come for explain for today, my people. But I feel come tell about mobile phone. Mobile phone is a weapon. When you go for work and for one come up for you don't charge your phone. Forget about internet. Snap, take picture. They will get internet, knock them for wall. Me then talk about. Now mobile phone don't catch the people who are going to say la the public. C'est for their own village. For their own village, where we not talk say francophone them. Their own village, they not win. But so popular, en tout cas, popular lost for everywhere. Oh, I know between for talk for beyond. I don't put more than 70 videos for my page concern election. My only be AI. Now video where they talk, they shout, they negotiate. I don't put more than 70 videos. I get more than 500 something video concern election. Yeah, because I'm a police. I'm a civilian. Police is a civilian. I'm an investigator. I don't do more investigation. Don't another time I say at the dark election, Chiroma don't win the election. Chiroma have won the election. Everybody they see him. Everybody don't see what happen. Why? Because mobile phone. Mobile phone. That's why I give the information for 11 October for upside. There's a snap the video then. When I go see video for the BLM, when I see the work for Tassompo, when I see the work for Tassompo for the BLM, where code, where I can't tell them for front, talk good English. When I them the cause they have on my people. The people that are causing problem in Bamenda is our elite. When I stand for Batibo, my people, Batibo, they have get them less than 20 people kidnap a whole village. Less than 20 people, Batibo, kidnap a whole 22 village. Say Batibo, why no, why don't stay for them for 19 years? Don't vote CPDM 6,000, 5,000 something for CPDM for Batibo, where they don't get 20 voters. But the picture come out, where they flock the box. Everybody see the picture. My people, the man with the thief election, it be dangerous than the terrorists. When the key innocent people put them for road, cut their last, show that them for public, say they be terrorists. My people, man with the thief election, a man with the take gun go threaten man, who is dangerous than, who be wicked, who be the destructive. Now the people I don't tell when I say, when I remove CPDM from the land. Me I don't forget my opinion because that talk can be me I don't forget to talk. My people didn't inspire election. Now when I on election now for sure when I know the truth. When I go do when I want digital and transparency. When I go vote that mayor them now for talk say yes they don't do fine work. Now they vote that now that one for you when they no concern una. Now job presidency. The real election where they come now municipal election for elect the mayor where go stand and represent una for una community. When I go select man, we go turn up for our community and I say, yes, now me representing people. Not be this bounty, this criminal way we get them now. When I go select when I on true, and when I look to what happened today, when I don't move on a phone, when I see damage we did for Cameroon, now reveal will be happen for 2018. The Inter for chair because the lock pass, when I see to a mayor pod, I come for them for this video. My honor for when I about municipal election to go on my people. Now when I vote that way, they go on a municipal election. Now election that when I get for Shidong now, Gada when I skin, Gada when I quarter. Yes, quarter not get for command now for the. Now when I election when you do not beg no man, you will come out for go vote now. Snap and stand for them and can't me move ye. For move CPD and for chair my people. Me when I not kill them because I fear for talk something here call them over when I go kill them. No, I know if you keep person I know tell me again. Not keep person for my own language. Yes. Politics, democracy, and sovereignty, you must win some person. When I go talk about public, when I will hear the word expensive part, when I will win some person, I win them. Not be thing for text to no. Now democracy, election they come for municipal. Prepare yourself. Go prepare yourself. Do as you do for the presidential election. Vote and count them. Remove ye. Remove ye peacefully. Say if you know remove ye, then go be edit tomorrow. Then go to edit. Move ye put them for corner. No quarry ye. Now, I tell you last time, you want to come sing power be our president, go for that box. Now, for day, when I take a decision, when I don't go vote, protect when I vote, when I see the result, that's what I call democracy. When you begin complain, one complaint do some action. When you don't go vote, I win ye. They say, nah, ye don't win. Now, for the few commander say, better man die. That's street is an office. Now, we office that. Street na office for the public. Public, their own office na the street. For expose their mind, for talk to will be wrong. My people, municipal election they come. We not go use una phone now. Now for them, no big problem. We not over suffer for Bamenda. We not over suffer. Now we francophone start their own. At least 9 years, 8 years suffer. We not get for she don't see their own domo. We not really go for enter their own fight. We not go now they talk for that say le Bamenda suffer. Now what they know say Bamenda de suffer. Now what they know say Bamenda de suffer. Donc we she don't quiet my people. My people, Bamenda, I really beg you this time around. I really beg you. For my power, I don't need down for you. But I don't beg. It's actually I don't come back when I give blessing, when I see position. It office come when I take when I contribute and give. Same way they give contribution for it when I see position. It never fail for no position. Bamenda is too powerful. I beg inside my heart. Say I beg, we to protect the people they kill una. We never protect them. The killer they inside una. The killer they among una. When I look presidential election, one person take box flop and he want go put them, so don't win. He go make so come for quarter when I say, hey, Paul be a bad person. Hey, na French do one. My people, this presidential election, when I tell me part way France they play inside. France what if they play inside. Now the way they do, they say French people don't can take kaku. The election when I tell me part for France inside. What France what they play inside? They confuse when every day with the BB word. Democracy, the sovereignty, now vote. Now vote with now we Cameroon the one enter democracy. Now we Cameroon don't get a first Democrat president where they win a population vote. Now people them and Chiroma the work at Teuna say now people they say me I stand for front. Miss Ambia go vote when I hear to Miss Ambia talk. Every year when Miss Ambia the vote. I tell you say no Anglophone problem from 1990 when politics be start. I don't be patron. Big patron be small patron. For 1990, though I know a lot of things concerning politics. Now the first time that Miss Ambia go vote, they say Miss Ambia now you go do her. He said no, they never hear vote me. They never hear vote me. And if you talk my program, they never vote me. Now the first time that Miss Ambia talk that talk for him up. Tell Miss Ambia talk that talk for him up. I just take my one bottle, risk to open them. Wash my hand, wash my face. Thank you, Lord. I don't hear from the elder person. I don't hear for a man who get knowledge. I want to about when I hear about I don't hear for calling man. A real calling man saying if he then vote, he will continue. And Mr. Ambia can't talk for Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron come for Cameroon. Mr. Ambia tell Emmanuel Macron. Say if my people decide me I stand, I go stand. If my people don't talk me I stand, I go back for village. My people, Mr. Ambia don't tell when I say me they vote he. Mr. Ambia don't complain when I vote he. Mr. Ambia don't open up tell when I say me when I vote me. Mr. Ambia don't tell when I say I want to be next president. Mr. Ambia don't lose election. Now different people they complain. Papa Mbia when I be president, he never yet talk. Now different now Tanganji the work have been confusion now. When Mr. Ambia says never tell when I say he don't lose or he don't win. Because he had no day. Man for one day he had no day. It's digital and transparent. That very fun way take and snap. Go in that very fun, look to what happened for your country. Mr. Ambia never tell when I say I'm be president. Now different people they fight. And every people they fight. Where they come for Bamenda, my people, then put picture for Pobia. When I see what happen for Libya, Tasson Port do. As a Tasson Port to go low house, they flop that ballot boss. Now Pobia, maybe Pobia. Pobia had no day, my people. Pobia had no day for the action. When I say for Batibo, 20 people inside 22 village. Because Batibo you want to get 22 village. 20 people go take bus, put them for house, flop them. Now Pobia. When I told they say Pobia, now Pobia do that can work. Pobia don't open a mob tell some person say, when I vote for me. Pobia don't open a mob tell one person say, I want to be president. You see, they are using it like a picture for do the rough job. We know all the danger. I don't ask one question. I want to ask that one question for this video, then what I will make them today. Inside man way they gonna call and say terrorists, a man with a tip vote, who be the dangerous man? Now who they get for cash and for public movie close them? Now, which man for that two people? My people now answer question. Now, which man for that two people? Where when our catch and you could say you are a bad man? The key innocent picking for nothing. Army vote na Chiroma. Police vote Chiroma. Police people they can't vote when I see them. Police people happy. All man they happy. Police man where we come down Chiroma. Draw the kashi. That's the system. Nyama. My last video was done for 11 October. When the country become injustice, that's a grammar. For our language, for street, when the country don't become nyama, use the very nyama to solve your problem. Not in the worker for Cameroon. Now the opposite, the one try for government, the positive. When if you work, how can manage Anglophone Bamenda? Atanganji Public come up for 2016 and 2017. Say Anglophone don't have problem. Now all Cameroon get problem. The language was well, but in wrong tune. Now 2025. Mr. Tanganji Paul Yuko talks with it. Say, Real de Madrid, ne fin na coton sport. Oh, Nji. Your level of education, they show your work. Your level for express yourself, show your work. Don't you call me Baron Blaise, coton sport. Now you be Real de Madrid. When I hear that mental slavery people, when I hear the way that people way, when I want see me make the whole dialogue with you, when I see their way for thinking, when I see the way they see if you people go for Batibo waiting for this condition. And then flop box for, say they don't get 6,000 CPDM. 400 and something SDF. Here the way they make the election. And then would be the dangerous mama people. We not to protect, we not killer. We not to protect people with the kill. I don't make more than 100 video. Say now when I elite the cause the problem. Come today for this condition. Person come up for your house. Tell your wife, say let me go and do my job. Go take ballot paper, put them the flop them. May the law, when I see them, she don't go and say top. Now what I give 5 days for come make this video after election. When she don't go and say top, where are we leading ourselves to? Who is the one who is causing problem? When I see it happen for Fundong man look up say no me. We never get 2,200 and something people for list. I wanna go count 2,000 something people. Why one person go take ballot box? My people, why do they need to arrest them? When I see the country where I go make dialogue, they need to catch my way the same banger. They need to catch my way the swing banger. This corruption, this thing what they do, why do they arrest them? I thank Japan to talk. But I thank God, my people, because the cause some people say foreign observer. African Union be send people when they can't see election. We don't wait for see the result for this thousands picture the way don't come away the first election. My people who for election, the very people CPDM. My people, CPDM na bad fish. We'll chop them in the hole for your truth. You know if you vomit them, you know if you solon. We now move them from the land. My people now my face the talk. Me, I don't think I'm able to face them for front court. I don't know what I don't understand me. Sorry. I don't know how to understand my English, my people. When I move CPDM for the land, the municipal election where they come. Me when I no text soon should he. When I see the way the bomb play for Francophone side, I beg my people, me when I no burn nothing for Bamenda. We don't over die. We don't over destroy our kako. We don't drop our picking them for Bamenda. Me we bring our picking them back home. Me no burn nothing again because them don't understand now. Thing where Anglophone be the cry. They say les Anglophones play through. Les Anglophones, now them don't stand now for born. Me we should don't quite not see their own dance. Me we no born nothing again. Me any man prepare himself now for the municipal election with the car. The municipal election, my people, it shows say the man who now select and the man who go give una light. The man who now choose and the man who go fix una route. The man who go control una, we go deal with the una. Not be when I see senator for whom. Senator for whom they stay now for Germany. They work voluntary slavery for Germany. But now senator, he take flag for senator, go put on for power for Germany. But they work voluntary slavery. Senator, look the people for whom. My people, let's go for whom. When I see what will happen for whom, my people. When I see Tingwe Parliament for watch Walang for whom they do for now. At least getting to 1 billion for maintain now and something million for maintain route. May population pass. May una pass on top. One person take money put on for your pocket. Say the government they pay the first installment. They delay for pay the second installment. You don't talk about the work. You don't talk to you work to go, how the work to go on. You don't talk ye. You don't you gonna come make campaign. Gara made them put on for Johnson for whom. Say Paul be again more 7 years. Who the fool? When I go to kill innocent picking them, say na terrorists. Where the real killer they inside una? Where una punish Papa God? People where the nyoro una dey for inside una. When I see the election not show una the people where they do bad for una. Election not show una people where they cause damage for una. Election not show una say some people they inside una. Where una they call them say honorable, call them say mayor, call them say not them they cause damage. Election not show una. When I see Bamenda, all election to come on, Chang don't come on, Babs and all places to come on. When I don't hear Bamenda not talk because when I don't show now stop. When I never eat, they never part of the bar don't me jam for now. The bar me jam when I drink. My president, when I see their work, who would cause the damage? I will see the pity question, my people. My way when the cash say don't go tip foul, they beat them for door market, and my way the tip election. Who is dangerous? They say presidential election. When I elite, they will go flop boss. Thank you. They don't flop boss. Let's assume say Pobia don't see weed. Pobia remain the municipal election to come my people. Election for sure say when I will get good light, good road, good light, good internet, good school, good thing, basic thing then go day. Now what Baron is talking about what caused the problem. I'm not talking about the problem. I'm talking about what is the cause the problem where we mammy and pass the slave fan. Where we pick it to go school. When I see the way they take and flop box on the front, then if you concentrate for make a pick and go school, when I don't see the way Ambazonia there, election pass, when I hear the voice of Ambazonia for Bush, may Ambazonia no enter for la Republic that problem. My people, when I see election don't take place, When I open una eye for the one my people. Oh, when I open una eye for the one my people. When I really listen to talk. I be talk with my naked eyes. God say no. Now I talk this thing inside my eyeglass. When I open una eye my people, and I see what happen. The Anglophone activists, whether they when I see me in bad gun, go destroy una. Say Pobia na bad man. Now they don't win Pobia. Then they vex again for una. Say me Pobia no come out. Me Chiloma never win. Why? Me they maintain back Pobia. Why? Because the sponsors are the elite. They know say if Chiloma win, they know say send that money maybe they begin do that propaganda. If Chiloma don't win be president now, it is sweat in Chiloma. They know say they don't lost because the sponsor don't see the money. How can you are complaining? Say Pobia don't or Pobia na bad man. Then go win for election. You come and get a vex. When I look them, when I go look their message, they vex say why Chiloma win Pobia. But then vex when I say why the people they send money for they don't go cheat election. My people when I sit here for Cameroon. No man talk about it will happen. No man talk about stealing of election. But when I take when I contribute and put them for junction, now come say don't see plenty. When I look man for 60 something year, it's a dano oye. When I naked put up for junction, they don't see dano oye. But person there for corner una, we don't take una 1 billion for maintain road. You know they money there for your pocket. Now when I almost share that for national cake. When they give contract for any village, now the share for national cake for the country where they jump for village. One person put up for your pocket. When I work a clap for them with a prado. When I clap for them say papa here. When I them take una money no do una work. But when I carry innocent people they kill them. Say they be people, they be terrorists. But when I say for abroad, how picking for 16 years will be terrorists? How can you accuse a manless child that terrorist? My people, we are the solution for many of our problems. The election don't can show be the truth. The election don't can open all my eye. All man visit will happen now for Bamenda, for Cameroon, but I talk about Bamenda. Charity begin at home. That's why I'm talking with the pigeon. Because I know Bamenda, I know the 7th division. I feel defend my daughter. I don't want to talk about Southwest because I know defend them. I don't want to talk about Francophone because I know defend. I talk about also I feel defend them. Thing I know what caused the problem. I'm sitting on. I am one of them. I know everything. I know everything. I get cut for CPDM for 1991. Why be CPDM man? Before I deny say no, the system for call man for go sleep is you. The system for take man may go drink chop some chop we go regret after. I say I'm no more Uruna because the system no suit me. I refuse me. I know they with them. I refuse me. Is that Chiroma to come when I say na traitor? But when I see blessing we Bamenda gi. But I don't beg Mr. Issa Chiroma. Wherever you are, Mr. Issa Chiroma, you don't apologize for Anglophone, then green, but they no green for you. Then green for mob. You don't take your chair. Your first place where I know you go visit an Bamenda. The first region for visiting an Bamenda. Now you know when president they want to go for some region, you must arrange the region. Arrange that region and then visit them now. And apologize for the funding. You know go apologize something for a region for junction. Bamenda get palaces. You need to visit the palaces or you call all of them home meeting, tell them say I'm sorry. You have to apologize but for the funding. Monsieur le nouveau président du Cameroun, Monsieur Issa Chiroma, avec tout le respect que te donne mon excellence, les anglophones que tu as demandé les excuses t'ont accepté, ils ont accepté tes excuses, mais les excuses vont aller chez les chefs traditionnels. Cette région est gouvernée par la tradition. Je vous dis, Monsieur le Président, avec tout le respect, les honneurs que j'ai pour vous, Monsieur le Président, nous avons décidé de vous ôter pour notre président. Pour vous demander encore ces excuses, faites un voyage à Bamenda, demandez au chef traditionnel, je m'excuse. You have to travel to Bamenda and tell for traditional order that I'm sorry, not for junction. Yes, you are a better man. You like a stranger. You come for your own, for Bamenda. Can't talk say, I am sorry. You apologize, but the son of the soil, no talk say, I'm sorry. The son of the soil can't get a ras we don't expire. When I see when I on Chiroma when a stranger, he come Bamenda. The first minister we enter Bamenda come for the public. Talk for when I say, I am sorry. For thing what done yesterday, it was a government document, it was instruction, it was higher institution. We all know. He can say, I'm sorry, when I agree, he will be president. Samuel Eto'o is controversy, no matter what Samuel Eto'o. Bamenda have powers. We get a lot of power for Norwest. We know who you are. The killer is among us. Inside my small video, I say we are the solution for our problem. We are protecting the killer among us. Only the election, my people may open one eye. Those people you are giving them na demons. Na satans. When I get for prepare, when I say for the minister, any man charge your phone. No put credit, charge your phone. Take video, take picture. Take video, take picture. I don't beg. for Anglophone them, when they abroad, when they everywhere. When I get community, you are not voting for Bamenda. You are not a bastard child. When they say you are from where you saw an Anglophone, automatically you mean that you are a bastard. Anglophone is not a village. Anglophone is not a town. You are from Com, you are from Kumbo, you are from Cambe. Go to your community, when I use your mobile phone, make campaign, make forums, make campaign. Take choose people go president from there, and then go vote them for the municipal election. National cake means when you say don't vote for me, vote nothing play. What mean by special status? Use your own money for your town, where arrange your own town. Decentralization, do your own thing by yourself. Don't take that video money, solve your problem. Now take that money for root. My people, I can make video concept Pobia. One of the talk these things, so if I not talk about Pobia, you don't understand my point. I want to go and talk about Pobia before continuing the video. If you're not talking about Pobia, you don't understand what I talk for talk my people. At least at the time when I say my people, I'm not talking about the problem. I'm talking about what caused the problem. And the neglect, we don't neglect ourselves. We don't abandon ourselves. Because we defeat some people the way they don't go school. When I call them intellectual, they can't kill you. Me, I can't talk about Pobia before continuing the video, my people. If I continue want to talk about Pobia, you know what's sweeting me. I can't talk about Pobia. I mean, a year before I continue about what is happening in Bamenda. My problem is what is happening in the ground. I'm not talking up, I'm talking down. My people.